Hello, how you doing? Going to make a quick, beautiful, creamy mushroom sauce today. It doesn't take long and it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 250 grams of fresh mushrooms, or about 3 cups in total. Chopped it up quite small. So I've got a medium-sized pan here, and in there I've got 2 tablespoons of butter that we're very slowly going to melt down. Now what I like to do, because we're going to be cooking some onions and stuff, is add just a little bit of olive oil. And that kind of helps or prevents the butter from burning. So nice and low. Let's just sort of melt that down. I'll be back in a minute or so. So we're going to take half a cup of onion and drop that in. Small amount of garlic, so couple of teaspoons maybe, heaped teaspoon, not a lot, and then a teaspoon each salt, pepper, and today I'm using some dried thyme. I mean, you can change that if you want to, you know, a different herb or spice. Right, let's go now for about 4 minutes, and you can see it's nice and gentle. So the onions and garlic are coming on just nicely. We're now going to add in that 3 cups or 250 grams of chopped mushrooms. Now look, I've cut them like that. I mean, you can cut them how you like really, because we're going to blend the whole thing together to make a really beautiful creamy sauce. Okay, about another 4 to 5 minutes, again nice and gentle. Let's cook those mushrooms down with the onions and the garlic. Looking fabulous, and we've got a little bit of moisture from the mushrooms as they cook down. I've got here 2 tablespoons of flour. That's a regular wheat plain flour, and we really need to be stirring all the time now. Again, keep it nice and low, and we're going to go now for about 4 minutes of just moving it around. We need to cook that flour out, otherwise you're going to get a really powdery, floury, horrible taste in the sauce. So don't skip this at all. Wonderful stuff. But we're going to add milk now. I'm using a full fat milk, cow's milk, and we're going to start off by adding in 2 cups. I've measured it out here. We're going to work that in, and then we're going to be adding cup by cup. We're kind of going to need to kind of eyeball it at the moment, but as the heat goes through that and the milk gets hot or warm, it will thicken with the flour that we've added. So keep stirring. I'll be back just in maybe 90 seconds. So you can see that's really super thick. So let's now add 1 more cup of milk. We're going to go again. So that's 3 cups of milk so far. And again, keep stirring for maybe 1 minute or so, and it will thicken. And we'll just get it to the consistency that we're happy with. Thickening nicely. So we're now adding 1 more cup of milk, so that's 4 cups of milk to the 2 tablespoons of flour. Now that might be enough now, but we'll check it out. Let it heat up, and then we'll see. We might add 1 more cup, but let's just eyeball it. Perfect, so off goes the heat. That's a good consistency for me. So 4 cups of milk to 2 tablespoons of flour. That's a lovely, lovely consistency. Now what you've got there is a beautiful mushroom sauce ready to go. Now, if you want, you can liquidize it, which is what we're going to do to make it super, super creamy. So you can see there, we've now got a really beautiful, creamy sauce. So you could have not done this and gone for it with the mushrooms as they were, or have it like this. Beautiful, beautiful. We've got a nice mushroom sauce. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.